Welcome to AGORACOM Small Cap Epicenter of AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Monday, June the 20th, I've got 3 press releases for the small cap space, U.S., Canada, and it looks like possibly China. But before we get into that, the big news of the day that's affecting all markets, whether you're a small cap investor or big cap investor, is a news over the weekend out of Europe, in which Europe could not guarantee the next payment to Greece in July. They need more austerity coming out of Greece. But the Greek government is facing a confidence vote this week that's going to weigh a lot on what happens. A lot of movement in the U.S. dollar, commodities, markets everywhere. It is really a minefield out there. So unless you really know you're investing, you probably want to stay put, maybe even go to cash and wait it all out. Here's the 3 news I got for you today. First up, SPI Solar trades on the OTC on the stock symbol SOPW. Announced that they awarded a 1.7, it's 1.69, rounding up to 1.7 megawatt solar energy facility project in New Jersey. This is a full on engineering, procurement, and construction contract for a photovoltaic solar project in New Jersey. It's going to be roof-mounted, distributed generation system for an on-site power consumption. Specifically, it's going to be connected to 5 independent meters serving tenants at the complex, which is owned by North Jersey Development Group. Most recently, SPI worked with NewGen on a 5-megawatt White Rose Foods project currently under construction in New Jersey. I like that because it's repeat business out of the same state, which means they must be having some success there. The company has a close relationship with LDK Solar. I believe that's a big solar company out of China. And together what they do is they deliver turnkey world-class photovoltaic solar energy facilities to business, government, and utility customers. Notice there's no retail there, so this is the big game. Closed on Friday, 46 cents, 52-week range, 62 on the high, 15 cents on the low. And it looks like this morning, let me get over to what's happening this morning. Sorry about that. Flipping down. You've got SOP actually down 17% on just 4,000 shares. And again, that may be related to just market jitters and people selling their stock, but that's not a lot of volume. That's only 4,000 shares. So watch for that. That's good news. Going over to Canada, Passport Potash, PPI on the venture, PPRTF for our friends in the U.S. They announced that they intersect up to 25.75% potash mineralization at relatively shallow depths. That's their wording. Additionally, this is their wording as well. Significant potash developments. That's what they're calling it. Core 1, 9.5 feet of 12.29%, including 4 feet of 18.28%. Core 2, 7.5 feet of 11.9%, including 2.5 feet at interval containing 24.34%. So that's where you get the headline number. Their president CEO, Joshua Bleek, said these results are consistent with what we believe the deposit would be like based on the extensive historic data from the area and similarities to the deposit currently being mined in Carlsbad, New Mexico. Ultimately, the 43101 will define the nature and extent of our resource, and it looks like that's coming out in the coming weeks. That's their quote. So look for that. We'll see 43101s. Closed Friday, 66 cents, $1.86 on the high, 5.5 cents on the low. Quite an enormous amount of volatility there, but definitely trading below its the mid-range of its 52-week trading range. Congratulations to Peter Clinton and his team over there. Right now, Passport Potash down another 7 cents. That's 10% on 565,000 shares. I don't think it's a case, again, of the market not liking the news. The news sounds good. It's a case here of there's definitely jitters with what's going on around the world, and people are lighting up. Brigus, Gold, NYSE, Amex, BRD, and Big Board TSX, BRD as well. Headline number, they announced that they intersected 4,165 grams per ton. The company says this continues to turn excellent gold assays over significant width, including 3.96 grams over 50 meters, that included 6.8 grams over 20 meters. In addition, Bonanza grade gold mineralization, 2,078 grams over 2 meters, that included 4,165 grams over 1 meter, and that's the headline number there. Go take a look at all the numbers. Brigus says they're a growing gold producer. That's always a good sign. The company operates a wholly owned Black Fox mine and mill in the Timmins Gold District of Ontario, Canada. Can't be in a better place historically and politically. Close on Friday, $1.58. 52-week range, 223 on the high, $1.05 on the low. Pretty much dead smack in the middle for them as well. And Brigus actually up 5.19% on 153,000 shares today. That probably has to do with the fact that one thing that's going to benefit from these euro concerns is gold. There's going to be a flight to safety, and I believe that's going to happen to both the U.S. dollar and into gold, and that's maybe why Brigus is experiencing some uplift when everybody else is generally down. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. If you look for more great stories, you watch this on Globe Investor. They look below me or to the left of me to see the companies we've covered over the past few days. If you're not on GoldCom, get there. Take a look at this daily show. Take a look at the headlines to my right and get into our marketplace to discover your next great small cap stock. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.